Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here, tutoring draw Lamine Yamal. So let's get started. To draw this cute soccer player, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another one. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come above the eye right here, well actually next to it, and I'm just going to draw a slight curve and hitting the top of the eye just to anchor it. So same thing here, just going to draw a soft curve right next to it. There. So now that I have that, let's draw his brows. So I'm going to come above the eye and say about right here, we're going to draw an angle, soft angle line for his brows, and thicken it up. So he has pretty thick brows, so I'm just going to shade that in, and same thing over here. There. Any distinct feature to help and make my drawings look more like them, right? Okay, so now that I have that, let's draw the nose. So in between the eyes, about right here, I'm just going to lightly draw two curves and then connect it. With a curve. Then from there, we're going to draw a big smile for Lamine. So let's, underneath the nose, say about right here, go ahead and draw a curve, cap it off, and then right underneath, just lightly draw another curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw his face. So I'm going to come to this point right here, just come out a little bit. Same thing here, just a little bit. And then we're going to come down a slight angle next to his eyes on both sides. Then let's start to bring it down. Now that we're past the eyes, we're going to come down and start to curve it in. So let's keep going. I give him a chin, so let's bring this down. And let's say about right here, I want his chin to end. So I will come down with this angle. As I get close to that, I'm going to kind of straighten it out to give him a chin. And then do the same thing on this side, go up and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this up. And we're going to go up and past his brow. I like where his brow is actually. And then before we draw his hair, let's come back to where his eyes are. And say about right here, we're going to draw his ear. And I'll come in here with some details, so two curves. Same thing on the other side. Right there. Then for his hair, I thought it'd be cool to give him the bandana that he sometimes wears. So right in the center, let's go up and say about right here in this area. I'm going to use that as my guide and draw a curve. So that'll be my center. A curve about that wide, and then I'm going to thicken it up, and this curve is going to be shorter So let's say about this much right here. And the reason is because we need to draw his hair kind of draping over it. So I'm going to come right here and just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And whatever space I have left, just finish it off. And then same thing here, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And now I'm just going to kind of like randomly try to draw these strands here. Just some. Just kind of finish it off. Same thing here. And just finish it off. Okay, so then for this part right here, you want to kind of give it a little angle on both sides. Get a little bit angle, and then we're going to poof it out. So come right here, and then we're just going to start to poof it out and go up. So as I come up, I'm going to poof, poof, and then kind of lean in towards the center. About right there, and then bring it down. So we just want to create this curved area right there. And then inside, if you like, you can kind of give some of this wiggly lines for some texture. There, so hopefully that helps. And then now we're pretty much done with his head. Let's draw his body. So right underneath his chin, let's give him a little neck right there, and then his shoulders. So let's bring this down to about right there. There. I usually kind of end the width of the head. So then from there, let's go ahead and bring this down. I'm just going to simplify it. So just bring it all the way down. Maybe flare it out a tiny bit if you like, or just go straight down to say about right there, about the same level. Then go ahead and connect it. So the curve, just a slight curve. So now that we have that, let's come down and, you know, since we're down here, let's find our center, which is about right here. Come down a little bit, and I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. And then this is where his shorts are going to start. So I'm going to put in 2 angle lines right there close to each other. And we're going to have the pants come about right there. So I think this side is a little wide. So I'm going to bring this in. Okay, so then now we need to bring this in a little bit. And I'm going to bring it out. Same thing here. Okay, so I'm going to come down to about right there and just connect it. For the shorts. Then let's draw the leg. So right underneath, let's work on this side first. And we're just going to angle down. So same thing here. Just like all the other soccer players that I've drawn so far. So then let's pop this part out for the shoe. And connect. So same thing here. I must admit, I've always dreaded drawing boys. They're just so much harder for me to draw for some reason. And all of a sudden, because of the World Cup, I'm drawing so many. And I'm kind of grateful because it's forced me to be a little bit more comfortable to draw boys here. So now that I have that, let's go ahead and put in some details. Let's see here, draw a curve. I believe the Spain's uniform has like 2 colors here, so I'll put in 2 stripes. And then here, just cut it off. And curve here and then another one at the bottom. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to round this part off as it comes down. And let's see, about right there. Cut it off. And the same thing over here. So bring this part across. He's not captain yet, so we're going to just give him regular sleeves. And then let's draw the arms. So I want the hands coming down to about right here. So let's come right about here. Kind of curve in a little bit. Then bring it down. And about right here. Curve out for a thumb. We're going to thicken it up. And the fingers. There. So same thing on this side. So right about here. And I'm going to drag this across. Just so that I can, just so that it helps me to make sure it's about the same. So right about here. And once again, the fingers. There. Okay, so now we can finally put in the details for the uniform. So right here, give it a neckline. And then I believe there's another one right here. And then right about, let's see, we need to put in the stripe. So let's say here, I'm going to go ahead and just bring down this angle. And same thing here. About there. And then in this area is the stripe. So I'm going to try my best with the Sharpie and bring it down towards the sleeve. Okay. I'm going to separate this. But hopefully you get what I mean. But same thing over here. I'm definitely going to have to fix some of this in the computer. And same thing here. So about right there. And separate for the two colors. And then let's see, of course, about right here, there's going to be like this emblem. So I'm just going to draw a straight line across, bring it down. It's like the shield shape right here. And then there's a star right here. It's so small. And then in here, of course, there's all this fancy stuff. But I'm just going to maybe just put a crown right here. And then, of course, the number 19. So let's say I'm going to find my center and I'm going to draw my 9 first. So let's say about right here. This just helps me make sure that it's more centered. So hopefully that helps you too. And a little hole right there. So I got 9. So now that I have the 9, I can come right next to it and draw the 1. So however much space I need, I can make the 1 fatter or skinnier. There, so hopefully that's not too bad, right? Got it in. There. And then let's see if, oh, of course, we have to put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Lamine. And then on the shorts, There's some stripes on the side too, but I'm just going to put in one. And then there's also another emblem shield thing here. And then the number 19 again. So once again, I'm just going to draw the number 9 first. And the 1 right next to it. There. And I believe that is pretty much it for this drawing of Lamine Yamal, Spain's cute soccer player. I really hope you love how he turned out, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.